So what you can also do is you can go ahead and crop out your video manually inside of Handbrake. So over here you can see that Handbrake is here, opened up, and now in order to load up the video that I want to crop out, I can go around over here onto file right here. So once you do that, you can go ahead and choose a file as you please. For example, I'm going to choose keyboard right here and click on open, and this is what you have. So now if I were to go around over here onto dimension, let me just go around and expand this out right here. You can see that orientation and cropping is an option right here. So now you can go around over here and let's say for example go for custom cropping and choose the resolution that you want to crop out. Let's say for example I'm going to go for, let's say for example 300 in the left and 300 on the right, and on the bottom let's say I want around 500 right here, and on the top 100, just like this. So you can go ahead and define the size that you want to crop out in pixels as you need, just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and then export it out. Let me just go around onto 700 right here, just like this, as you can see, and then you can see the resolution that results out as well, and you can see the aspect ratio that results out as well. So this is what you have. And now if I were to click on start encoding, then what happens is that it goes ahead and encodes out that footage right here, just like this. So now once you do that, what happens is that this is what you have. So this is the footage that you have right here. So if I were to go ahead and then open this out right here, then what happens is that this is the cropped out video footage right here, just like this. And that is how you can crop out videos manually inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.